It's me, I'm here.
Hey guys, my name is Lauren Gaw and this is Life Above the Clouds. And today I have my friend Ted here helping me.
Hello.
We're making peanut butter cups.
Yes.
So we have our chocolate melted in a double boiler here. I'm doing a double boiler because steam is hot. If we were doing it in the microwave, then we'd have to keep going back and forth as the chocolate cools. So this is just easier for us to do. And we spooned half a tablespoonful in our mini muffin cups. And I'm just using this pastry brush to brush it up on the sides of the cup, which is a totally unnecessary step. I wanted the chocolate to be all way around the edges. I didn't.
Because otherwise there would just be a ring of chocolate when it'd be like, who made these? Some amateur?
Yeah, we're not amateurs here. We're just gonna tap the tray so it kind of evens out. How does that look?
Yeah, it looks good.
It looks good?
Yep.
So I'm just gonna pop these like in the freezer or the refrigerator. While this is in the fridge, we're gonna mix up our peanut butter filling.
Yeah.
We have another bowl. Ted says that he knows how to use this. So we're gonna put you to the test. We have half a cup of creamy peanut butter. Then I have 2 tablespoons of melted cannabis butter. Then I have a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. That looks beautiful. It's so nice and creamy.
Right?
Yeah.
1/4. Here, teaspoon.
You can do that one. And then I'll do the scraping out of with the spoon. More teamwork. Oh my god, this is making me so happy.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna tap it to flatten out our peanut butter. We're just gonna put a little bit of chocolate to cover up our peanut butter. I feel like out of all of the things I've ever made on this show, this one is taking the most focus.
It's the most deceptively easy and yet hard.
Yeah, right? I would put these in the freezer longer, but because we're impatient, we're gonna eat them now.
Tell which one had too much.
Yeah, this one got a little too much,
I did that.
you know? And I usually try to be careful about, especially when dosing, like you want them to all to be even. But Ted can eat the big one.
Okay.
Ready?
Hey, adorable.
I just flipped it over and tapped it on the table. You wanna eat one?
Yeah.
You wanna eat one?
Yeah.
Mmm. Oh yeah,
Oh, good.
that is tasty.
That's
Kudos.
really good, guys.
Yum. Thank you, Ted, for
Yay.
coming to be on my channel, and thank you guys for watching. Today we made cannabis-infused peanut butter cups, and they were really, really good. A little bit messy to make. You know, Ted, as he said, was not great on the finesse, but they still tasted amazing. Guys, feel free to like this video and comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And Ted has a YouTube channel.
I do. Teddy 56100.
I actually linked it in the description section below already, as well as his Instagram.
Wow, I didn't even
So
say that.
go check out our social pages,
Right.
and I have a Patreon. If you guys want to check that out. My dad is my only patron right now, so that's a little embarrassing. On that note, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.
Bye.
Bye!